So this is going to be a video, just a quick impression of this new Google Pixel Watch that I bought a couple of weeks ago. So this is a watch here, and and some documentation come with the box. So let's see what do we have here. So yeah, this is a watch. I think the watch is looks pretty good. It's simple, and then honestly, if I compare it with Apple Watch, it's just like, I would say it's like an Apple Watch, but has a circle, a shape with it, right? And also, I think it is made with stainless steel. This Pixel Watch. So I guess in terms of price, when I bought it, it cost around $299. So it was discount back then. But I guess it's comparable with stainless steel Apple Watch. I think. Looking closely here, I think the build quality is fine. And the other thing that comes with it is just this charging puck and the extra band, a smaller band. So now let's just try to turn it on. By pressing the button here, maybe. So yeah. While waiting, maybe we can try to compare this with my other watch that I have. So I've been using an Apple Watch for the longest time. So here's this quick comparison. They are very similar. So Apple Watch has this one is a smaller Apple Watch Series 7, and it actually looks very identical except their shape. Now it's comparing with my Garmin Forerunner 55. I use this watch if I'm using my Android or my Surface Duo. So, but it's lacking some features because it doesn't have NFC. So, I would like to use my watch for payment because I now start using Duo more often. So that's why I want to give a try for this Pixel Watch. So we need to install this Pixel Watch app in Surface Duo. So I'm gonna do that, and okay. And now we're going to pair this watch with the app that I just installed. I'm gonna go through this again. The experience, honestly, I'm gonna compare it with Apple Watch because I've been using Apple Watch for a very long time, and the experience is very similar as you're using Apple Watch and with iPhone. Here I'm just putting in my hand. I think the size is pretty good, and also it has this kind of a pattern unlocking which I like. And here in the app, you can control a lot of different settings for your Pixel Watch here. There's so many. I'll explore this a little bit later, but that, I think, this quick impression. Overall, I think is a nice watch. I think the design is nice. So yeah, I'll use this watch for a couple days, and I will report back my experience and using this watch and the battery life and how it performs as a smartwatch, and comparing it with my other watch that I've been using with my other phone, like iPhone, the Apple Watch with the iPhone, or my Garmin watch, and maybe share that my experience and let you all know. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.